Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween candy cookie bars. They're cookie bars with a bunch of Halloween candy mixed in. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Line it with a sheet of parchment paper, letting it hang over the edges for easy removal. And set it aside for now. First, melt the butter in a saucepan on the stove or in the microwave. And set it aside to cool. Meanwhile, you can mix the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the cooled melted butter from earlier, and browned sugar, and beat them with a whisk until they're well combined and lighten in color slightly. If it's not getting lighter in color, it means the butter is still too hot, so leave the mixture for a few minutes to let it cool. You can place it into the fridge to let it cool faster. Then take it out and continue beating. Add in the eggs that are at room temperature and vanilla extract, and beat them until they're combined. Add in the dry ingredients and mix them until they're just combined. Try not to overmix. Then you can choose whatever Halloween candy you like to add to it, but only ones that are chocolate bars. So if the candy doesn't have chocolate, you can't use it. Here I have Hershey's chocolate bars, Reese's peanut butter cups, and Kit Kats. And I also have Hershey Kisses, M&Ms, and Reese's Pieces off camera. You can use as much or as little as you like, but not too much or the bars won't hold together well after baking. Chop up the chocolate bars into small pieces. You can leave them in large chunks if you like. Add about 3/4 of the candy bars into the dough. Set aside the rest for topping the bars with. And fold them in until evenly distributed through the dough. Pour the dough into the prepared pan. Press it all over and spread it out until it's even. Top it with the remaining chocolate bars. Press them down. And bake it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until it's set in the middle and lightly browned all over. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then use the parchment paper to lift them out of the pan. Use a butter knife to loosen it from the edges if needed. Then cut them into bars. And you can serve them still warm or cooled completely. And that's how to make Halloween candy cookie bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.